Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the exercise sums of surface areas and volumes from the chapter 12, 10th grade. Let's discuss the first question of the 12.1. Two cubes, each of volume 64 centimeter cube, are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So this is the two cubes where the cube A and cube B, we can see that with the different colors. So they gave the volume of each and every cube. So from that you can draw the side of each cube, that is nothing but A is equal to 4 centimeters. With that information, we'll get L is equal to, the length is 4, breadth is 4, and the H is equal to 8 centimeters cube. So we know the total surface area of the cuboid from the above diagram, from the above formulas. You can easily see that. Just pause the video and look at all the formulas once, and let's come to this point. Total surface area of the cuboid is nothing but 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Just substitute all the values and you will get 4 into 4, 4 into 8 plus 4 into 8 centimeter cube. If you calculate all of that, and it will be 80 centimeter cube. 2 into 8 is 160 centimeter square. So the surface area of the cuboid is nothing but, total surface area of the cuboid is nothing but 160 centimeter square. Thank you. Next question. So a vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeters. That means this is 14 centimeters. And the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeters. From here to here it is 13 centimeters. And the total height of the vessel 13 centimeters. So find this inner surface area of the vessel. A vessel in the form of hollow hemisphere. This is a hollow hemisphere, okay? Mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14. And the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeters. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. So this will be our 7 centimeters. If it is this 7, and this will be our 6. Okay? Let's find out the question. What they're asking? Find the inner surface area of the vessel. They're asking the inner surface of the total vessel combined together. So inner surface area of the vessel is equal to Csa of cylinder plus Csa of hemisphere. So we know that inner surface area of a vessel is equal to Csa of a cylinder plus Csa of hemisphere. Csa of cylinder is how much? What is the formula of the Cs of cylinder? 2 pi RH. Cs of hemisphere is nothing but 2 pi r square. We know the R value, we know the H value, and we know everything that we want to find out the ISA of total vessel. Just substitute the values. Calculate everything and you will get 7 will cancel each other. Here also 1 7 and 1 7 will cancel each other. It will become 44 into 6 plus 7, which will be equal to 44 into 13. Ultimately it will be equal to 572 centimeter square. So the inner surface area of the total vessel is 572 centimeter square. Let's talk about the third question. So a toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeters. Cone of radius 3.5 centimeters mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. So that means the height, or we can say that 3.5, and this will be 3.5 also. Radius 3.5 centimeters of cone, and height of a cone is also height of a cone. The total height of the toy is 15 point from here to here. 15.5 centimeters. If this height is 3.5 centimeters, if you subtract that, you will get 12 centimeters as the height of the cone. So radius of the hemisphere again 3.5 centimeters. Let's find out what they're asking, the total surface area of the toy. Total surface area of the toy. Total surface area of the toy is nothing but Csa of cone plus Csa of hemisphere. So if you want to find out the Csa of hemisphere, you must find out the L value also, because the Csa of the cone contains the formula of pi r L, which is L is the slant height of the cone. At the same time, the Csa of hemisphere is 2 pi r square, where we know everything to find out the Csa. The thing that we don't know L. How to find out the slant height? Slant height is L is equal to square root of r square plus h square, where r is the radius of the cone, h is the height of the cone. So we know the radius of the cone, which is nothing but 3.5, and height is 12 square. If you do that, it will give you 156.25. The L value will be 12.5. Take that L value and substitute over here. 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 12.5 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into r square value will be 3.5 square. So if you calculate this one, this will be 137.5 plus 77, which will be equal to 214.5 centimeters square. So hence the total surface area of the toy is how much? 214.5 centimeters square. Next question. Fourth one. This one is very important. Please note it down. A cubical block of a side 7 centimeters. This side is 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters surmounted by a hemisphere. One hemisphere is surmounted on it. What is the greatest diameter the hemisphere can have, and find the surface area of the solid? So clearly remember, the maximum diameter of the hemisphere is nothing but a side of a cubical block. That is what the maximum diameter, you can see that. So you can write the maximum diameter of hemisphere is equal to side of a cubical block, which is 7 centimeters. This is the maximum diameter that you can see. The radius of the hemisphere, then radius will become 7 by 2, 3.5 centimeters. So what they were asking, the total surface area of the solid. Total surface area of the resulting solid will be equal to surface area of the cubical block. Remember, surface area of cubical block plus Csa of hemisphere minus area of base of hemisphere. Area of base of hemisphere. Why we are subtracting this part? Because this area of the base of the hemisphere is calculated twice while we calculating the surface area of the cubical block. That's why we are subtracting. So let's find out the TS of a solid. So surface area of cubical block is 6a square as for the formula, and Csa of hemisphere is 2 pi r square, and area of a base of hemisphere is pi r square. You can simplify that and it will be 6a square plus pi r square. Substitute all the values. 6 into a square, because the side of the cube is a, 22 by 7, and our value we know that was 3.5 centimeters. If you calculate that, it will be 294 plus 38.5, almost I think 332.5 centimeter square. So these are the 4 questions. The rest of the questions we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you.